Hey, chat. What up? What's going on out there? Gold and silver made new all-time highs. How exciting is that? If you hold it in gold or silver. It just doesn't stop, chat. It doesn't stop. It just doesn't stop, chat. Let me log into all my accounts. Okay, chat. Thanks, chat. All right. Show you what I got going on here.
Thank you.
No problem, you jabroni. All right. Sharing the screen here, and then we're going to go upstairs. I got to take a couple sips of my first cup of coffee. I haven't had any coffee yet today. All right. Don't even know who's out there. Look at that. Rocking my Apex shirt. I wish I got a hoodie. They were giving away, they were giving swag away for like a couple of years ago. I had the chance to get a second item because it was still like active in my members area, and I didn't. I should have grabbed the fucking hoodie. Although I hardly ever wear hoodies out here anyway because it doesn't ever really get that cold.
Well, it is pretty cold right now, probably.
It's a little chilly out today, yeah.
Oh,
Go ahead, bro.
Okay.
You could open that. You missed. Don't worry, I do that all the time. All right, chat. Let's go upstairs, chat. Thanks, chat. All right, so here is... I got to redo this, I think. Gold dropped. Look, I think gold's going higher. Like there was like the one opportunity to trade it today for someone like me. I did get one account in my well charts account traded. I have 5 others now. I had 5 going into today, and then I just activated another one. Now I have 6 in there. Not too thrilled about having all 6 in there. I'd rather have as many of them as possible in Tradeovate, but this is just how it played out. So we'll make the best of it. I already got the 554 is up $1,400. I think I got like 3 days traded on that, 3 or 4 days traded on that. Maybe 4. I think I'm on my 4th day. I gotta look. Let's see who's in the chat. So we got that done. There's a couple other really good things that happened. Although I haven't traded yet today because this shit's untradeable. Trading copy trading is disabled. Please enable copy trading in the app header to start. Oh, they fucking updated the copy trader. In the app header, enable. And this is some new shit. All right. Because I want to put, I wish it would just stay there. Can I save it? Like, I wish I could save it. template manager. Leader account, 55, 56, 57, 58. Set strategy. Oh, no, I'm good on that. I got to configure it. GC, gold. All right. Set strategy. Strategy configuration has been successfully applied. Template manager. Oh, it's in there. That's cool. So maybe it'll save in there. One of the things, see, at least they're trying to make it better, right? They're making improvements. They're operating under the Kaizen way of doing things, continuous incremental improvements. Up until this right here, I don't think I was able to save my fucking copy trader. So if I like, you know, my session expired or something, it wouldn't save. I had to fucking put it in there. But we just dropped. Let's see if it pulls back. I need for my style of trading to trade Fibonacci retracements, I need a pullback. This could have been an opportunity, but you know, what low would I have based it on? If I were to base it on any low, just looking at it now, obviously, we all know it's fucking, you know, hindsight at this point. But if I were to, wrong way, for a bounce, hold on. For a bounce. This makes the most sense as a low, but does that mean that was where I was going to draw it when this was happening? Because look, with that as the low, and that is a low. That is a low, even though it's just because we were just popping and dropping, pulling back a little bit, and then going higher. Look where it bounced, the 786, and it actually bounced at the 618 too, and then tried to retest and then drop lower. But now, I mean, this fucking thing's probably going to keep going up. So I don't even know if I'm going to be able to. I want to trade. I'm not trading the NQ. I can tell you that much. So that's that account. What else do we have going on? Well, I don't know why these are still in here to torture me, but I did activate I do have a pro. I do have my 25K pro that's live now. It's active. It's not live, but it's active. It's not a live account. It's just live, as in I could trade it. But again, I'm not fucking touching the NQ. And gold is going up again. Gold is going parabolic. You see, guys, who's out here, though? Sorry, I haven't gotten a chance to say hello to everybody individually. What else can I show you, though? Well, here's my trade day accounts. I haven't touched those yet either. Just waiting. Now, will I take a shot with NQ to get 9 points for an eval? I could do that. I might have to if I want to keep growing, or I could just get a flip day in today. What else can I show you? Oh, this is my Lucid account. This is my Lucid account. Chat. Who's out here? Hey, you guys notice anything different about today's stream versus the last few weeks? Carbo Knight. Kevin! Nate. Kenny. Perry Dollar to make them holla. JK. V33. iTrade. Dips and Peaks. Millie. Benny. Benny Reimer in the house. Cyberpie, Clinvale, Danny Sebas, Fibonacci, The Wiz, Matt O'Rourke, NJ, Jordan, Sean. Oh, Nate, I bet a bunch of people tried fighting this shit up. You know, when it comes to gold and silver, trying to fight the move up is like trying to catch a falling knife. You're just better off just waiting. JC, Doomslayer, Sly Fox, Simple Trading Bot, Raphael, Miss K, Ehab, Alfred. That's right, Apex Shirt 0 Day Jason, Apex Shirt J, Stock Cars and Bets, No Coffee, No Worky, Markel, Nayo, J Min, Carter Morissette, Yeah, you jabroni. My other son wants to get in. My other son wants me to show him, but he's got school now and he works and he has a girlfriend. So he's got to show the initiative. I'm not just going to be like, hey, come over here. Come over here. Show me you freaking really want to learn. I'm not going to make him do it. Then it won't be something he wants. Although he told me he wants to learn. You know why? Because I keep him up to date on where my payouts are at. And now that he's like, I had a $30,000 month. Now he's like, holy fuck. Now I have his attention. Funny how that works, right? But obviously, he knows I've been getting better at trading. I mean, he'll be happy with a couple of thousand every month. But that guy that you saw, he's 16. He'll be 17 in a few months, though. Lance, what up? Sherry. Tony Gold. Just ain't right. Mwah. The well charts I was showing? Yeah, this is Apex. Look at this shit. It keeps going up. I can't trade this. What a move, though. If someone drew the fib in this spot. I mean, fuck, man. That shit just bounced 200 ticks. 200 ticks. In what, a half hour? That's insane. Tim Morgan, what up? P. Shenanigan. Investor Z, Handsome Dan. Stoic. I haven't gotten a compliance request. They watch me trade all the time. They know I guess my way in and I guess my way out. But it's nothing. Just tell them what you do. Tell them what you look for. They want to make sure it's you trading your accounts and you could display the ability to explain what you're doing. Because there are services out there that will trade the accounts for you. I saw them I would see pre-roll ads on my fucking live streams all the time about it. Hot Shot, Trending World, TJP, yeah. I think it'll go back. Well, I don't know. Is Trump still over in fucking in Davos, hanging out with all the hypocrites, all the scumbags? Gian Rich, Canute. Felix, Coffee Buff, Kahuna, DS. Step 1, cut a hole in the box. Step 2, put your dick in the box. Age restriction coming my way. Age restriction coming my way. Alex Rifkin, what up? Susan. Exactly. Pimp Daddy. What's up, motherfucker? And I mean, what am I supposed to do now? I'm not touching this. Bob, for now, what up? I'm not touching this shit. Kevin Tobias, Kenny, Jack Boom. All right, so let me show you this. This was like the one opportunity for someone like me, for what I like to look for. Jesus, man. I mean, also, like, even on this bounce right here, watch this. If this was a low, look at that, 786 here. Even if this was the low, it still bounced off the 786. Just based on this low and this high. But then you had to expand it. If that's what you played, right? It pulled back. Now you got to expand it to the next low. Right here. You see, guys? And sure enough, it bounced off the 786. Just a casual 200 plus tick bounce. 213 ticks in a half hour. Bowser. Yup, Shadow Band. That's your boy right here. It's the only thing that makes sense to me. I turned off ads. What up, Tay Day? Obviously, it doesn't matter if I'm running ads or not. Got the same amount of people on. I mean, I could keep running ads if you guys, I mean, it'll just mean I give away more accounts with the little bit of money I get from running ads. Maybe I'll put it on all the replays, but no one watches the replays. Nobody, yeah, see, nobody gets any notifications. Miss Goody, what up, Corey? Maybe try unsubscribing. Miss Goody, unsubscribe, then resubscribe, and then turn on your notifications. Perry Dollar to make them holla. Yeah, I don't, have I tried it? I draw the fibs on the NQ all the time. It plays out. I just hate the NQ. Yeah, Bowser, I turned them off, bro. I turned them off. For today, at least. Because I don't think it matters. All right, let me show you what else I got going on. Since I can't fucking enter a trade right now. Not like this. Not with this going on. All right, my Lucid account. I needed one more day of $150 or more to request a payout. One more day. How hard can it be? Was I able to do it, or did I fumble the bag? Diamond Murphy. Yeah, I get shadow, you know, because I start talking about fringe topics they're not allowed to talk about on YouTube. I just think they're fucking shadow banning me. I don't know. Or it could have been that all the hard work that pot prick was fucking putting in to fucking fuck my channel hasn't stopped me from fucking getting better as a trader. Hasn't stopped you guys from showing up, so thank you. Tyler, no skills. What do I say? A bunch of shit you're not supposed to say. Sanyel. Yeah, but I don't know. A little money at what cost? A shittier user experience? I never liked the idea of you guys having to sit through an ad right after I get into a trade. Clinville, don't say it. They might show up if you say them 3 times. I don't know who the fuck they were. Anyway, let's see. Let's look and see if I got the job done on this Lucid account. On 2 Lucid accounts. Oh! I guess I'm going to be requesting today. I'm going to be requesting, well, a total of $2,845, right? Because I have 2 accounts. They're flex accounts, so I can request 50% of my balance. So 2,845 times 0.90, because that's what I'm going to end up with, 90% of what I request. $2,560.50. 2,560 plus 26,635. That's what I'm at. 29,195 for the month of January on the 22nd. That's what it'll be at in about 2 hours. Because as soon as I request with Lucid, I'll get approved like a minute later, and then 5 minutes later, the money will be in my fucking bank account. Unheard of. No one else is doing that. Isaac. You see, guys? And this happened after I had an awful day of trading yesterday. Awful day of trading yesterday. Really, last night. Awful. Not last night, the night before. Awful, 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 awful. You know what makes all that go away? Another payout. That's what makes it all fucking go away. No, I'm not slowing down. Can't stop, won't stop. You know what I'm saying, fat lip? Now, what else did I trade? Were we getting an opportunity here? No. This is just going to keep fucking going higher. I could probably just go in long with a mini and just close my eyes. But I'm not going to do that. And I don't recommend anybody else do that. Yo, Isaac, look at you, bro. And you were getting worried. You were getting worried. Look at you having your best month ever. Hey, everybody, Jay Diddy. Everybody pound the confetti like roast beef for Isaac. Was getting a little nervous after having a few good months in a row, putting 3 good months together or whatever. And then the first 11 days of the month, nothing. Started getting a little nervous. And now look. Hell yeah. We love to see it. We love to see it. 6 months straight over 10K, and this is your best month ever. You're just getting warmed up, bro. You're just getting warmed up. How hard can it be? What up, Cut? You see, guys? Prop boy for life. Prop boy. Although I spell prop boy with a B-O-I, like a fuck boy or a fed boy, you know? Yeah, Diamond Murphy, it's tough when it's doing this shit. It's tough to trade all-time highs. It's like every other day is a new all-time high with gold. Same with silver. Like, if you were to go buy gold, look at fucking gold. This shit hit 40. Oh, my God. This is the actual spot price. And then silver, if you want to go buy silver, and this is just expect to pay another $150 to $200 over spot for an ounce of gold. And silver, the premiums are like $10 an ounce. Look at fucking silver. $96 an ounce. It's fucking crazy. Crank, how's trading been going? I'm fucking green everywhere I traded today. Locked in another Lucid payout, but this is the first payout with these two accounts. Now, I'm going to show you something else, and then these accounts are going to be of the utmost importance going into the close of the month. Very important accounts going into the close of the month, and I'll show you why as we wait for something to happen here with gold. Because you see these, oh, look at that. This is the NQ. Oh, fuck. You see, guys? Here's the high. Here's the low. We might have an opportunity soon. Is that the VWAP? Is that the VWAP? Well, it don't matter anymore. We broke that shit. Look at these 6 accounts. You see these right here? 520, 521, 522, 23, 24, 25. I've gotten 2 payouts on those so far. Why is this showing like this? Oh, I got to hit refresh. I activated that PA. There we go. What? Oh, no, that's an eval I got. Here's the PA that I activated. This is an eval. I wanted to see if I could pass one more eval so I could at least get back to 15. But anyway, these 6 right here, this is my 5th day of $50 or more. My 5th day of $50 or more. I just need 2 more flip days. So let's say I win a little bit on a flip day and I lose a little bit on a flip day, and all I'm left with is where I'm at right now. 36.44. So I can request 1,544. 29 and 195. 1,544 times 6. I can request another $9,264 on Monday after Monday's trading session. If I get approved, then I don't see why I wouldn't. I didn't violate any rules. Let's do some fucking math. That would put me at $38,459 for the fucking month. That's $4,400 better than last month. My new best month was last month. I almost doubled my previous best month, and I just beat it. Well, if I get approved. Why wouldn't I get approved, though? I don't see why I wouldn't. I didn't violate any rules trading these accounts. Also, this account right here, hold on, let me see. This is the account that just got denied, right? Because of that bullshit scaling rule that I violated. It's not the rule's not bullshit. How it happened was bullshit because of trade evade. So instead of getting paid $572, now I'm working on getting paid $2,000. But the soonest I'll be able to request that is when. Let me look. Chat. That account is on day 11. So I'm 3 days in since getting denied. Today's the 3rd day. So I won't be able to request until Thursday after the market closes. I'm not sure if I'm going to get approved on that one before the end of the month. If I were to, if I get to the payout, if I could get to a payout and I'm able to request by Thursday, that's the soonest I can request. If I get approved on Friday, I'll be able to count it towards this month. If not, I'll have to count it towards next month. But now, this is where these Lucids come in. I'm going to request a payout on these today, and then I have 5 trading days. I know for a fact that if I get them done by even Friday, the latest, When I request, I'm going to be approved in a minute. What am I going to be at? What am I going to be at if I get approved on the other ones? How hard can it be to be able to get, let's see, 40 minus 38 minus 40? How hard can it be to end up with $1,541? 1,541 divided by 0.9. I just need to grow these accounts 1,700, a total. I need to grow each account $1,712. I think. I might not even need to grow it that much. I need $550 days. I guess it depends on where my drawdown's at. How hard can it be? I just need $1,712 to be requestable by next week. And then I'll be at 40 grand for the fucking month. What? Oh, man. Nick, what up? Your first payout from Apex. 2,400 is nice, bro. Good shit. Hey, pound that confetti like roast beef. Pound that confetti like roast beef. Got his first ever Apex payout. Is that your first ever payout? First ever payout ever? Oh, that's, dude, he popped his cherry. Am I taking the NQ trade? I don't know. Not with my funded accounts. It's in a good spot. You got the low of the VWAP band here. You got the 707. Look, it already bounced. You got the 786 here. Is that the low though? Or, I mean, that looks like a good spot for a low. Look at that shit. There's so much cuck around. Look at this cuck zone. Look at this cuck zone before it bounces. Well, it already bounced. It bounced enough points for me to get another $900 day in on these trade days. And obviously I want to trade, right? Especially my funded accounts. But if I can't trade gold, I'm not trading them. But I'm okay because I just clinched fucking how much in payouts? Let's see. It's okay. $11,824 just got clinched, and maybe more, depending on what I do with those Apex accounts over the next 2 days. No skills. But Perry, if I was to trade the NQ, that's not a bad spot. I do think it might go lower. It's not a bad spot. The NQ plays out the same way. It's just I hate the NQ. Let's see. I mean, if you look here also, watch this. This high. Yeah, that's the spot. Now, if I were to expand it, right, I would need to need to make this the high if I wanted to go back to any of these lows. So now we go to this low, and it's not even at the 618. It could drop lower. You know what I mean? Like that's like the game that you play with the fibs. So you'll miss opportunities by being conservative. But you know what? Better to be safe than sorry. But I still think this isn't a bad spot right here, just because of how much it bounced off that. And this right here, if you draw the fib from this is the low a day to this high. Watch this. It bounced right off the 786. So Perry, to answer your question, here's a perfect example of the fib. Like, look at that. There's the low a day, the high a day. It pulled all the way back, and look where it bounced, to 786. Now, if I go by the low that's a little bit higher, that higher low, it's still pretty much a 786 bounce. It might have just wicked over it. It wicked below it. Do you see? It still bounced off that 786. It's not going to be perfect. Look, we're going lower. You see, guys? What's gold doing? Jesus. Oh, gold's pulling back. Mike, what up? Blackout News Network. Sal, what up? I mean, they don't do shit for me, like my contacts. I don't have that type. I don't have pull with them. I don't have any pull. Sal, just hit up support and be like, hey, I got to approve this payout. Can I get it? Can you pay me? Why haven't I been paid yet? Norman, yeah, the fibs are the shit. That's all I use now. I don't care about anything else really. Well, look at that bounce already. Where's the NQ at? Now it's here. That's I'll put my orders here if it comes there. But no, look, it retested the 707 and touched the fucking the low of the VWAP band. I hope it comes down here. But I could have easily have just went short. But whatever. I just wait. Use it 2 different ways? Yeah, I bet. There's so many different ways to use it. There's no perfect way to use the fibs or anything that we look at on these charts. Bowser, I don't know. I don't know the answer to that question, bro. I'm scared we're going to flush. Or I'm just not going to get filled. And if I don't get filled, I'll actually be relieved because I hate trading the NQ. You see me just move that fib up from that? Did you just see me just drag the fib to a new spot and the fucking low and the high are like perfect? You see that? I just moved this fib for, because here was the low we based it off of. We had that 786 bounce. All I didn't even draw a new fib. I just took the fib and dragged it up to the next high. And look where the low lined up perfectly. What are the chances, chat? Yeah, I got an order down here at the 786, a little higher. We'll see. You know what? I'll wait. What's that, 50? Am I not filled here? Oh, fuck. No, wrong account. JT, what up? Yeah, same, bro. I haven't traded. What up, Carlos? I haven't traded since I woke up. I haven't taken a single trade. Of course I don't get filled. That would have been enough. Of course I don't get fucking filled. What else is new? I moved it down a little bit, but before that, it was like right around here. So I missed getting filled by like 2.5 points. APS. Yeah. I trade gold whenever it's fucking bouncing around. I don't care if it's in a flag, because that's all gold's been doing. It fucking makes new highs, flags for a little while. Maybe it pulls back aggressively, but it always seems to want to make a new all-time high eventually. Lately, it's like every other day. But I don't trade it. I don't trade it well when it's parabolic or when it just keeps trending. I'm not a trend trader. I'm a scalper. I'm a Fibonacci retracement scalper. Mike, these, if I could get filled on these are trade day evals. I'm in like this fucking never-ending carousel of trade day evals because after I blew my funded account, I did get money from trade day. I got a decent amount of money from them this month, but still. Just been frustrated. Like, I'll get the $900 day in, I'll get my first day in, and then I'll try to trade the next day and fucking blow it. It's happened like 3 times already. Yeah, gold's the shit. Look at the Discord from the Perdia CEO. Hey, just ain't right, man. It's just another challenge. Just grow the account. Pass the, all that matters. Just however, who cares how long it takes you to pass the account? There's no consistency when you're funded. And for a limited time, they're doing 40% off with no activation fee with the best code 0DayJ. And if you don't, I'm gonna take a peek in a second. I don't want to be looking at that shit and get filled on this order. What's gold doing? Also, if you've never had an account with Trade Day, they'll give you 50% off your first account. How hard can it be, Roger Adams? I'm trying to do it. I mean, we did it last night. That sounded amazing. We did it last night. I locked in another $11,800 worth of payouts, but I haven't traded yet today. I'm like waiting. Emiliano. All right, let's see. $99 new messages in the last 35 minutes in this fucking Discord, the best Discord. If you guys are not in this Discord and you want to hang out with in the best community with the best fucking people, it's free for now. Let me drop a link in the chat before I look and see what the fuck is going on here. Come on, get me the present. Here's the link, yo. It's free. We got 1,500 members in here. Well, we had 1,500. We're right around there. Yeah, 30% isn't great. I just know that when I pass that shit, I have 0% consistency, and I could get paid on day one potentially, and I could get paid every single day while I'm in sim funded, as long as I get over the buffer. Where's the per dia shit? Jonas. Is this what you wanted me to look at? You're still waiting for your payout? You never got your payout, bro? Is that what you wanted me to see, bro? All right. All right. Oh my God, it's curling up. It's curling up, yo. Look at the low of the VWAP band. We're up 20 something points now. Trent Friend. The best fucking code is 0DayJ, right? Oh, by the way, this sale with Apex is ending today. This sale right here is ending today at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. 80% off evals. This is how much the 2550s and 100s go for. This is how much the 150s, 250s, and 300s are. $65 lifetime activation fee for the smaller accounts and $125 for the larger accounts. $35 resets. This is all going away at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. Allegedly. They did extend this. They are habitual sale extenders. Who knows what they're going to do now? I don't know. I feel like they're going to do something different, but they'll have a sale again soon. I just don't know what it's going to be. So if you want to grab an account, use the best code 0DayJ. It's got the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate, according to the prop from Streets. Results not typical. Damn, motherfucker, bro. This is what I get for being too conservative. Look, I would have had another $900 day. It would have been too easy. Cone Killer. What platform am I using? This is Trade of 8. This is Wealth Charts. Because I had some rebills come through for $16.70 that were on Wealth Charts. I don't cancel that type of pricing, a subscription with that type of pricing. I hold on to those forever until they get passed. Now I have 6 less of those. The issue is I trade a lot better on Tradeovate. A lot better on Tradeovate. And I wish most of them, if not all of them, were on Tradeovate. No offense to Rob. But I figured out some ways to trade this and not get completely fucking aggravated. Like going on full screen. It's so much better when you're full screen on this thing than any other way. Oh, what am I using for trade copying? Hey, Cone Killer. There's no one Rilla. Vincenzo. Doomlord. Stock cards and bets. You got 2 out of the 3. It's probably just a clerical error. You know what I mean? Vincenzo, what up? Yeah, JT, exactly, bro. Exactly. Why would anybody, like, I get, like, remember, hey, guys, on all of the recent promos with Apex, 30 days from when you got that account, you're going to get rebilled at 50% off. I highly recommend you cancel your subscription so you don't get pinged for, like, $100 or $98 or whatever it is. But all of those older subscriptions, I don't get rid of them. Same thing with Bullinox. I don't get rid of those. Although I got to figure out what I'm going to do with them now because I just had some subscriptions rebill and I can't trade on fucking Project ShitX anymore. Tyler. Mike. Do I recommend well charts? Not over Tradeovate. Mike, just you're about to get some Apex accounts on your wife's name? Tradeovate. Tradeovate's the platform. That's the one you want. You meant to say that you're about to teach your wife how to trade. Is that what you meant? Stephen Cox, what up? Yeah, low-cost rebuilds are the shit. Why even get rid of them? I mean, bro. Do I recommend lambskins or latex? I recommend none. Stock cards and bets. Condoms. I passed. I passed the test. Noriega. You finally got your first fucking payout. Hell yeah. We got a lot of firsts today. Marco Noriega got his first payout. Hey, everybody pound that confetti like roast beef. Woohoo! We love to see it. We love it. Fuck yeah, the first of many. We got Nick over here getting his first payout. We got Noriega getting his first payout. All right, let's see. This is scary, actually. Whoops, wrong way. Dummy. This is kind of scary. $618 so far. I don't take, whoa. Damn, that's so fucking sensitive. I don't take a 618. I don't take the 618 bounce or rejection. I wait. And if it doesn't go to my level, then I missed it. If you're trading micros, though, you might want to take one, like get into a very small position at the 618 if you're going to do the fibs, right? Because it's in the golden shower pocket. Look, we got a nice little rejection here of 23 ticks, 25 ticks. I just don't fuck with it. Yeah, Perry, man. You just gotta figure out. I don't know how you trade. I don't watch you, but one thing I would recommend. Yeah, Tyler. That's my other channel, bro. I don't like talking about it here. Very comfortable. Do you wear them? Do you wear them to the gym? Perry, I don't know if you're in the Discord, but you should hang out in the Discord. Because I really believe that if you hang out in there, it'll make you a better trader. Just because there's so many different There's a lot of really good traders in there, and they all look at the charts differently, and they openly share what works for them. You just got to figure out the one thing that really works for you. Whatever your best, highest probability, whatever you win the most with, that's the only thing you should be trading. That's the only thing you should be waiting for. Yeah, Alfred, yeah. Or going into it too. You know what I'm saying, Perry? I don't know what your strategy is. It doesn't matter what your strategy is. Or maybe you're just trading too many different strategies. You got to figure out, you got to go through your, I don't know if you have to keep a journal or not. I mean, some people like to journal. I don't. But you got to figure out what works for you and what doesn't. If there's one type of trade you look for, and that's the one that you have the highest win rate with the highest profit rate and all that shit, just trade that shit. And if it doesn't come, then don't trade until you can develop another skill. Like another strategy or another tool. What do you see me? What am I doing? What am I looking for? One fucking thing. I don't care about anything else anymore. I'm literally on the verge of having a $40,000 month after having a $34,000 plus dollar month. And having, I mean, fuck, man. It's just crazy what's happening. And all I do is wait. My order's down here. I forgot about this shit. Oh my God, look at his bounce. Shit went from 85 to 65 points. 65 points. I missed getting filled by 2, 3, or 4 or whatever it was. Awesome. I love when that happens. Fuck the NQ. We're at the 786 now. I just don't know if it's going to hold here. And the VWAP. And you got the 5-minute 21 here. You got some decent confluence in this area. I don't know. Is that the appropriate high, though? This might be the appropriate high. We're going to find out. Oh, we're in the algo candle land? I don't even know if I should be fucking with this. How do I draw my fib? On Tradeovate, I click on drawing tools on the left, in this left little menu here, drawing tools. I click Fibonacci, retracements. Then I pick a spot. If I'm on Tradeovate, if you want to draw for a rejection, which is what I just did, you click on the low and you drag up to the high, wherever your high wants to be. And if you want to adjust it, you could fucking grab it and drag it around, or you could grab the very top right of it and move that part to expand it. If you're going for a bounce on Tradeovate, you got to go from the high down to the low. On fucking Trading View, I'm gonna get filled. I'm gonna get fucked. I feel the fucking coming. Oh, I just missed getting filled too. Look at that. I missed getting filled by 6 ticks. And it dropped fucking 18. No, it dropped 9 points. Almost enough. I'm canceling this shit. I don't want to get caught in some fuck you candle with the NQ, knowing that the fucking 55-minute candle. Yeah, look, see? I just canceled that. Watch it go down 9 fucking points now. I just canceled that shit. That shit happens to me all the time. But this shit could shoot up another 30 points. I don't know. You see, guys? The 786 was the right spot. Fuck. Maybe. I'm glad I canceled that shit. You see, guys? I don't care what happens. That was a good fucking cancel.
Freeper. You see, SpaceX IPO is expected 1.5. Jesus Christ. Simple trading, but Intel tonight. What time? Sovereignty, what up? You've been trading for over 2 years and still can't pass an eval? Oh man, look, if I fucking that would have been enough if I had my order. I thought about moving the order to the fucking 786, but I also didn't want to get fucked in a fucking 55-minute fuck you candle. So, whatever. Where's gold at? After 2 years, I mean, I'm not saying you got to really look at what you're doing. Clearly you're doing something wrong and you haven't made the adjustment. Maybe you should start trying to play pass to smash. You might find it easier to pass evals if you just fucking full port in a certain spot. I'm not advising that. I'm just saying maybe you should try that if you haven't tried it yet. Because clearly whatever you've been doing isn't working, right? 2 years and you haven't passed an eval. I'm not picking on you. I'm just being honest with you. I'm not saying you should quit because winners never quit and quitters never win. Scalping trades, what up? So when I get in a trade, what's my typical stop loss or take profit? It depends on what I'm doing. Like if I got filled on that, where is it? If I got filled on this because I'm trading trade day evals and I'm full porting, I just want on NQ, I want 9 points. 9.25 points to get my $900. On gold, I want 19 ticks. If I'm trading a funded account, I don't know. We all have different targets. You know what I mean? Whatever you're comfortable with. If I could get a few $100 out of a fucking trade, I'm happy. If I could get more, even better. If I could actually hold to my fucking take profit for once. Zach, what up? Well, he didn't fuck those morons on the stream. They fucked themselves by following him. And it has nothing to do with him. It's all about them. Why would you fucking follow anyone in a trade that's on a fucking YouTube stream? Unless you agree with what they're looking at. If you agree, if you're looking at the same thing, like, yeah, I see it too. It's not a matter of getting in. Then it's like, all right, we're getting in the trade together. I'm not following anyone. Well, I don't do it anyway. But why would anybody follow anyone in a fucking trade who's streaming? You told D Money? I mean, whatever. I can tell you one thing. When anyone's telling me what to do in the chat, I don't fucking listen. I haven't listened to anyone telling me what to do in the chat in fucking almost 2 years now. Especially when they told me I should stop trading minis and go to micros. Just ain't right. Man, that would have been enough, man. Look, 60, 48, it would have been more than enough. Now, are we gonna moon on this last candle? No harm, no foul. I didn't lose money. I didn't get money either. Just walk away. Just trade micros. That boy bad. Mr. Beg Beef. Yeah, Alfred, I don't get it. Mike. Yeah, go follow the traders. Well, on Top Step TV, you're better off fading the house. If the in-house account is trading, you're probably going to win 80% of the time fading them. Fading the house account. Or most of the coaches. But the house account is up $43 today, okay? Don't spend it all in one place. What a pump. In this case, you see what's happening here? It broke out of the golden shower pocket. So what do? I'm just going to look for the next high. I mean, we could have done it here. Here. Look at that, the 707 from this high. If I put it here, which was like a little bit of a good spot, almost a 786. You see, guys? Damn, that shit's dumping. I missed it. I missed it here. I missed it here. I don't care. I still have the accounts. I'm waiting for fucking gold to do something cool. I got my order. Oh my God. Look how I should have. Fuck, man. Look where it bounced. It bounced off the 618. It came within 15 ticks of filling my order. It just might still fill it. It might still fill it, chat. Then again, if I make this the last low, if this was the last low right here, which you can treat that as the last low because it is. I went a little bit more conservative here. Look where it bounced, almost a 786. You see, guys? But I'm still leaning towards this being the spot. So no fills. I mean, we still got an hour. Gold is fucking crazy. Gold won't stop. Gold will not stop. The NQ will slow down eventually. Muravsky. Criminals got Intel earnings early. Yeah, of course they did. What time is Intel? What up, Tom? Here we go. Am I going to get it? This is for 5 accounts. No, it's for 4 accounts. Can you film me? Actually, I got to fucking pass. I got to pass this. I want to see if I could pass this shit. This eval. I fucking missed it. 76, 28. That was a 50-point fucking move. What time is Intel? John Q. At least 9K. It's actually, what's the actual number? $15.44 times 6. Minimum 92.64. I mean, I could gain or lose money from here on my flip days. I'm gonna fucking try to get money trading gold micros. I mean, I could even try to get a fucking max payout, but I don't want to push it. I don't want to push it. I don't need to. High or low here? Is it gonna pop? I don't know. I was hoping it came down a little lower. A massive market crash? I don't know. What up, Yash? Jonathan Trentwell. 1-800-Maestro. Intel's getting lit. What, to the downside? Look at fucking silver. Holy shit. Oh, they're down 5%. What's the NQ doing? It's not going crazy. Here. I gotta pee. I gotta go pee. In case I get filled and it goes in my favor. I'll be right back. All right, chat? I'm not done trading. I hope I don't get filled in. Well, I hope I do. I'll be right back. Keep an eye on all my shit. Fuck, man, I didn't get filled. I didn't get filled in anything. I need more. Oh, I need more coffee. Rebby, what's up? JP. Yeah, bro. What's up, Rushi? Yeah, JP. I mean, last night was good. Yesterday was good. And then I went to the gym. By the time I got home, I was shot. And I think gold was, at that point, gold might have been pumping already. So I did what I needed to do. I clinched another $11,800 worth of payouts between Apex and Lucid. I'm going to be requesting Lucid after I get off. There she is.
Nope. There she's not.
There she is.
Don't
They might be seeing the back of your head. It's like my favorite.
Yeah.
One of my favorites.
I'm one of your favorites.
No, the back of your head.
What a pig.
What a pig. You love this pig. Well, I guess it's not coming down here. Maybe it will. Look at this. Watch this, chat. Well, I can't really draw it because of this fucking wick.
Watch out, Harvard.
Although, just an interesting little spot here. Look at that low right there. You see that low? This right here? Look where this fucking bounced. And then it retested the 707 and bounced. You see, guys? You see, guys? Oh my God. You know how annoying that is? 15 ticks sounds like a lot. But with gold, think about the range on gold today. The range on gold today, what's the range on gold today? Let me find the range on gold. 932, 772. 932 minus 772. The range on gold today is 1,600 ticks. So what's 15 ticks when it's moving around like this? She's ruffling all those bags on purpose.
I'm just, you know what? You're in my
She's ruffling the bags on purpose.
You're in my
She wants attention.
So, what the hell?
Say hi. That's right. Ruffle those chips.
Organizing the snack.
I'm going to ruffle your chips.
Oh, God. Ew.
Check out my broker statement. Check out my broker statement. Now, let's see here. Again, look at this. All I did was drag this same sized fib down to this low from this high. It's almost identical. It's like spot on. And we basically rejected off of the, oh, whoops, wrong one. Where's the low on this one? Uh-oh. I'm wrong. I'm incorrect. Oh, wait, no. There it is. Just about. Why does it keep, what the fuck? There we go. This is wrong now. Oh my God. There we go. 707 rejection. This high, this low. I don't trust it though. I just don't trust anything right now. At all-time highs. What's up, Rooney? My dog's wagging her tail at me.
Okay.
Look at her. I picked that one. She's the only dog I picked. And she's the craziest. Well, I don't know. Harvey's a different type of crazy. He's super high energy. And look, here's another thing you guys might, benefit from. You see all the accounts I didn't trade today? You don't see me trying to force trades because I have to trade all of my accounts. I used to think that way. I have to trade all of my accounts. No, you don't. You don't have to trade all of your accounts. If it's not there for you, don't fucking trade. Better to not trade and still have your accounts than to force a trade that you wouldn't normally take and then fucking blow your accounts, right? Right, chat? Although I think I'm going to do that on this eval, this Apex eval. Leo, what up? Savvy. Mike, thank you, sir. Which account? Tom. What up, D-Walk? You see, guys? What Lucid accounts do I like? I trade with the flexes. I love the flex accounts. Gastony, what up? Did I say that right? Probably not. I'm sorry. But I love Lucid Flex. That's what these are. And I don't know if they're still doing it, but I'm pretty sure you get an extra. If you're a first-time user of Lucid, when you put in my code 0DayJ, you'll get an extra 10% off, 5 or 10% on top of whatever the deal is. So right now, they're pushing the new black plans. So 40% off any size black plan. Everything else is 30% off. But if as a fucking first-time user, a new user, you'll get an extra 5 or 10% off with my code. The best fucking code. But yeah, these are flexes. I got funded flexes. I'm about to request on them. These two right here. These. Payout eligibility. End of day. But I am eligible. 5 days, minimum profit days. I'm good. These payouts, look. The last 4 payouts I got from them were on flex accounts. Before that, I was trading the pro account because that's all they had. And then they introduced, in terms of, eval to fund it. Never an activation fee. No activation fees. I just like the idea of all I have to do is get $1,000 and I can request a payout on flex accounts on, the 50s and the 100s. I don't know about the 150s. You might have to grow it a little bigger. Fuck me, man. I wanted to trade this account. I wanted to get one more because their fucking discounted lifetime activation fee is expiring tonight. Maybe they'll leave it in there. I don't know. Check my Discord. Yeah, Alfred, 100%, man. 100%. Baseballing with ease. What up? Coach Fred, what up? DGen Trader. Hold the P. Scooby, what up, Scooby? I hope you're still here, bro. I didn't see you. What are Lucid Pro funded rules for payout? I'll drop the link in the chat. 5 days. It's 5 days of a pro. It depends on the size. If you're talking about 50s, it's 5 days of $100 or more, but you got to get to at least 2,600. 2,600 gets you 500. But here's the link to all that shit. I don't know what size account you're trading. The easiest path to a payout is fucking Flex, by far. The other plans are good too. But I like Flex more, me personally. Here you go. That link right there will take you to the payout parameters on Pro for all the sizes. Look at this shit. I got to expand this now to this high. Really, I'm going to expand it to the high of day. 707. I'll keep the order up there. I don't think we're coming down here unless we flash dump. Maybe eventually, but that's 100 ticks away. That's 100 ticks. That order down there. But if you treat it at this high right here, what the fuck? Why does it keep dragging this one? What? Fuck that. There we go. It's fucking annoying. There. 707. 280 to 261. I could have fucking got another $900 day in on my fucking trade days. Look, I have this Take Profit Trader Pro account. I haven't touched it yet. I'm not feeling this price action all that much. I don't need to fucking trade this shit today. I'll trade it during the overnight. No buffer is nice. I mean, there is a buffer. There is a hidden buffer on the Flex accounts because the minimum you can request is $500, right? You need to get to at least 1,000 to be able to request 500 because you can only request half of your account balance. So if the minimum is 500, you need to be at 1,000. But that's a lot less than everything else. Team Crypto. Thanks, Jay. No problem. Flexi trade. Is it much harder to trade on live versus sim? Not really. The fills are a little bit more of a pain in the ass, Freeper, on live. But the prices are still the same. The candles are a little more jumpy, too. Why trash Granny? Great fucking job. Look at you. And you're going to get it. Trade day, day one payout. You see, guys? And then he's going to stay over the buffer. If he stays over the buffer, he could get another payout tomorrow. You'll have that money in your account by like 3 in the morning. The black does, it doesn't have a buffer, but yeah, the buffer is you have to hit the target. You have to hit the target on Lucid Black. You can't get a payout on black until you hit the profit goal. So that's the buffer. None of it, like whether there's a buffer or not, you can't get a payout. Where is it? Let's see. You have to get to 1,500 on a 25K. You have to get to 3,000 on a 50K, and you have to get a 40 to 4,500 on a 100K. There's your buffer. Even though they could say there's no buffer, just because of it's just wordplay. It's wordplay. Oh, Lisa, what up? Yes, correct. To be eligible for a payout, you must reach a minimum profit goal during each payout cycle. The profit goal is as stated here. There's your buffer. 40% consistency. Cody, yeah, exactly. Flex is, it's not a bad plan because it's the quickest path to a payout. You could get paid in as little as 3 days with Lucid Black. You know, so if you're that good and you could run up accounts very easily, this is a good account to have because you could get paid every fucking 3 days, basically. Oh my fucking God. How many times am I going to just miss getting filled? Oh, wait, no, that was where it was before, and then I put the order in. My bad. Couldn't it just come up another 7 ticks, though? Longhorn, what up? You can make even more than that. You can make 1,200 a day. You can make 1,200 on the first 2 days if you wanted to. Because you do the math, 3,000 times 0.4, 1,200. That's your magic number, if that's how you want to play it. The fuck? All right, cool. Get the fuck off the screen. Just bought some profit trade accounts. It's profit raid, okay? Profit raid, Tyler. No problem. Oh, Lisa, no problem. You always want to do the math when you want to play that game. You know what I'm saying? Do the math. You always want to begin with the end in mind when you're trading these accounts to figure out what your approach is. If you don't want to just unless you're just trying to grow them, but you want to begin with the end in mind. Do the math ahead of time and then act accordingly. Go kick some rocks. It doesn't go to 0, but it's going to be low. Like, I'm probably going to, I don't even know. Honestly, I don't know exactly how much drawdown I'm going to have on this, but it's not going to be 2,000. It's probably going to be like fucking 1,200 or some shit. Maybe even less. I don't even know what it's going to be. I hope it's enough for me to grow the account back to another payout, because if I could take this to another payout before the end of the month, basically by next Thursday or Friday, which is Friday's the last trading day of the month next week. If I could do that and I get approved on these payouts when I request them on Monday, I'll have my first ever $40,000 a month after just having my first ever $30,000 a month. Marco, what up? Yeah, Longhorn, exactly, bro. Profit raid like the roach killer. It's the fucking the payout killer. Well, it's set stock cards and bets. It says it right here. Let me find that fucking page again. Here's the link to the page if you want to, for your viewing pleasure. To the page. Oh, you motherfucker. Oh, okay. They're still giving it to me. It doesn't matter what you do. The most you can request is 15. The most you can request is, what's the most you can request? I don't even know. 750. Standard payout maximum 750. But if you take it to 2,500, if you go up another $1,000, you can request another 750. That's how I'm reading it. If you want more clarification, hit them up on support, because I might not be explaining it correctly. They want you to trade these. They want you to try to go for the bonuses in the hopes that you'll blow the account and end up with nothing. So if I were you and you want to go for the bonuses, get a couple of standard payouts first. Get at least one standard payout first, so you're playing with house money at that point. And then if you want to go for the fucking bonus the second time through, then go for it. Don't fall for the trap. It's a fucking trap, unless you're a really good fucking trader. know what I'm saying? Sean, check my broker statement. What up, Desmond? You can't get the bonus on the first payout anyway? Oh, I didn't know that. See, this is what I'm saying. I don't know. That's why you guys got to read the fine print, not me. I could read it to you, but it doesn't mean I'm explaining it correctly. I'm not an employee of Lucid. You could also go into their Discord and ask them. They have a Discord. You could hit up support to get clarification on the rules, and you could go into their Discord to get clarification. I'm reading the same shit that you're reading. Team Crypto. Any giveaway today, Clinvale? No, I gave away two black Lucid accounts yesterday. Hey, listen, if I get approved on these, if I get approved on these, we will be doing another giveaway. If I hit 40,000 this month, we will be doing a giveaway for that too. We'll celebrate 40K with a giveaway. But if I get approved on these, this will push me over what I did last month. This will give me a new high, a new fucking all-time high from prop firm trading. So we'll celebrate with a giveaway. And if we hit 40, that's a huge fucking milestone. Stock cars and bets. Stop saying that about yourself. O'Brien, what up? You're a good trader, and you're getting better every single day. Every day and every way, you're getting better as a trader and a person. Stop saying shit like that. Even if it's joking, your subconscious fucking believes it. I mean, I say negative shit about myself a lot too, but I also say positive shit to myself about myself. Like bad meaning bad, but bad meaning good. What up, Alpine? Thank you, man. Came a long way from the project hallway. Slick Rick, the ruler. Hey, Alpine, I'm just trying to be like you, man. Maybe. A couple things need to happen. 3 things need to happen for me to secure a 40K month. For starters, I need to get approved on these when I request on Monday. Oh shit, I just got fucking filled. Finally got filled in a fucking trade. I need to get approved on these. Well, I need to get there. As in, I need to not fuck myself over on Friday and Monday, which I won't. So I need to get approved. That needs to happen for sure. And then I need to either get 538 to a payout and get approved on Friday because I'm going to request Thursday, or I need to take these Lucid accounts I'm about to request on today to another payout. Oh, there's a 4th thing that could happen. If I could get this 25K Take Profit Trader Pro over the buffer, but it's all hedged on this right here. This has to happen. This has to get approved. These accounts, and I don't see why they wouldn't. Let me go pay attention to my trade. Probably a good idea because I'm in I'm in with 4 accounts. I can't fucking, I honestly, I just fucking can't stand well charts. I can't look at the chart. I can barely see this shit. The full screen version is really nice though. Oh, I should have taken that. It was like $100. Whatever. Was it? I don't even know. What am I in at? 288. 288. Barlow, what up? I probably won't be watching. Carlos is 1 day away from 3,600. How hard can it be? How hard can it be? I know you'll get the job done, though. That's like their default thing. You could change the tones in well charts. There's all this like cool little shit you could do in here. Oh, what is that? The 150K? Wait, what is that? The 300Ks? What account is that? Motion Capital, what up? Oh, see, look, I'm getting fucked. I'm so glad I waited patiently for this fucking trade. This is why trading at all-time highs is a fucking pain. The trade of the day, the trade of the stream was if I actually got filled. Oh my God. I'm not fucking, what a way to, my first fucking trade since I woke up. Whatever. It's not taken away from the fact that I clinched fucking $11,800 between Apex and Lucid, but this sucks. I did not have this on my bingo card when I fucking put this order here. What happened? Something must have happened. It's fucking 4:30 and gold just fucking shot up fucking $8. I'm probably going to get top ticked here. Unfucking real. This is a new all-time high. That's a new all-time high. Shit is untradeable almost. Fuck. I just got fucking killed. $603 loss on those accounts. Awesome. I swear, if this was Tradeovate, it wouldn't have happened. New all-time high. This shit's unfucking tradable. Look, what the fuck? Something must have happened. Nothing happened. Bullshit. Oh yeah, it's got Longhorn for sure. It's got a magnet. It's got a magnet on it for fucking 5,000 for sure. You think it's gonna go for it today? Like when the market reopens? Shit, maybe it'll do it now in the next 20 minutes. Who the fuck knows? Eric J. This shit is untradeable. Good thing I at least fucking didn't let myself lose more than 750 on the first trade. Although I think I may have violated it yesterday. Fucking crazy. It's okay. I'm going to go fucking look at my gold. It's just going to keep going. It's probably going to go to like 49. It's going to go to like 40s or 50s. What the fuck? Buy high, sell higher. I know. It's tough shorting when all we keep doing is just going higher and fucking higher. It's hard to fucking short at all-time highs. Even if you're playing the fibs. Look what just happened. I was up like $100 for a moment, and then it just fucking, look what it did. It went up 120 ticks. Hey, fuck it. Let's fuck these accounts. Look, as soon as I got in, it goes the other way. Whatever. I'm done playing with these. Amazing. Watch it fucking take me out and then drop. Now I'm just trading out of fucking frustration. Fucking bullshit. Trader J. Oh, look what. Wait, is that gold? I thought the NQ did the same shit. Oh, the NQ's just cucking around. This is what the NQ does at the end of the day, and this is what fucking gold does at the end of the day. Fucking nuts. The good news is the first day on these accounts, I got over $1,000. I was at 1,059 before that fucking trade, but still. Yeah, there's nothing that you could look at to the left. I'll probably get stopped out. Whatever. I'm fucking over it. Eric J, you think that would have saved me? I don't even think it would have mattered. I would have had to exit the trade anyway, regardless. It's probably going to come down here and then bounce. I mean, look at this shit on the fucking daily. Here's the daily chart. How do you fucking trade that? Unless you just go along and close your eyes. Amazing. Is it bullish? Trading for keeps. I don't know. What gives you that impression? What gives you that impression? The fact that it's pushing for fucking 5,000? I long one. I don't doubt it. Yeah, about to get taken out again. Whatever. I'm over it. It's like one of those things, like with well charts, I hate to say it, but I would rather not be trading funded accounts on well charts. I'm just being honest. Let's see. Which ones do I have? These are those accounts that I'm trading right now and fucking up. This account's on day 4 in well charts. This account's on day 4. Tomorrow, I mean, shit. If I could get this over the buffer, tomorrow's day 5. I mean, I'm not even fucking close. So I can't even get flip days in. Tomorrow's day 5. I'm at like, what am I at? 1,400 with that shit? Yeah, look, I'm about to get stuck. Look at this shit. It just wants to keep going up. I can't trade this shit. Clearly. Alex. Yeah, I'm not, I don't love it. I barely like it. But I had cheap fucking rebuilds come through, and I was not going to not trade them. And, of course, those are the ones I passed. Meanwhile, yesterday, I tried to pass a bunch of fucking evals in trade event, and I was only able to pass one. This shit is fucking rough, man. Whatever. I'll just see if I can build them back up, build them back better tomorrow. But I'm going to get taken out. Whatever. So if I could get this over the buffer by Wednesday's close, I could request on this one too. And this one's actually in well charts. Funny. I'm not gonna fucking hold my breath for that to happen though. I trade well charts like shit. I trade, yeah, bro. 100 silver, 5K gold, fucking crazy. Is there a payout window with take profit trader? No, you just got to get over the buffer on day 1. Look, what did I say? I knew I was going to get taken out. Way to get in right in the worst fucking possible spot. I fucking suck. Look how bad I am, and I'm still on verge of a potential $40,000 a month. If I could do this shit, anybody can. Kick some rocks. I'm not surprised by anything with gold anymore. Look at this shit go. It's 441. Here was right before the close. We are literally up. We're up like 280 fucking ticks. Since 1 o'clock. Or 240, 250. I don't even know. Yeah, Alpine. Of course, right? How hard can it be? It was just cucking around here. Well, it's funny now. I feel like they're inverse because, look, I don't know, though. They're not. But gold popped right around here. And NQ dropped. Look at gold. It's in fucking no man's land. Mad Greek, what up? Hot shot. That's not bad. Not a bad day. Unfucking real. You know how fucking annoying that is? I waited the whole fucking stream to get filled. I missed getting filled a couple of times. I missed getting filled on the bounce by like what, 15 ticks, which is nothing, right? This 15 ticks ain't shit. We just went up fucking 200 in 10 minutes. Of course. Amazing. My phone's fucking dead, you fuck. $70 ticks in what? 1, 2, 3, 5 fucking minutes, 6 minutes. Oh, you know what though? Whatever. It is what it is. These accounts are fucked right now, but I could recover from that shit. I just basically costing myself a day or two because I got to make up this fucking balance, right? But these are brand new. Better to do it on like a day 2 than on a day fucking 6, 7, or 8. This one's green. This one's on day 5. Or 4? What was it on? Day 4. These are on day 6 with my fifth $50 day. Today's my fifth $50 day with these. This one's on day, what number is that on since I got approved? Denied. Sorry, not approved. Denied. This is on day 3 since getting denied. So, and I'm requesting the fucking payouts today. This sucks, right? This fucking blows, but I don't care. I'm getting fucking paid again. It's always on well trust that fucking dumb shit happens, man. I'm telling you. I guarantee we wouldn't have popped if I was trading on TradeEvade. I bet money on it. What the fuck? Where we at here? Oh, just keep going higher. Is this where it drops, or is it going to push higher? What the fuck, man? Shit's so fucking annoying. Triple strawberry. I don't trust this shit. You know what? I'm not fucking with these accounts. Watch it fucking dump. I just don't want to fuck them up any more than they already are. I'll just wait for something better. They're funded accounts. They matter to me. This eval, however, I don't give a fuck about. I'll fucking take a shot.
Order filled.
94, 63. Watch it fucking bounce right there. Of course. It literally bounced on my fucking entry. Oh my God, what is so stupid. So stupid. Obviously, I'm just fucking impulsive trading now. $63. Zoe, what's up? This is probably not going to pass. I mean, it just dropped fucking 50 ticks. Way to get in short at support. or wherever. It's like this, my entry support. Amazing. Whatever. It's just a fucking $35 reset. I don't give a fuck. I'm more annoyed about these accounts. Where are they? I'm more annoyed about these. Hey, look, look at that. It literally just fucking bounced off my entry. Oh my God, what a fucking joke. Yup, game over. Watch it push for new highs just in the last fucking 6 minutes. This is why I didn't want to fuck with these accounts anymore. I've done enough damage to them. Now I have less than $1,500 of drawdown. I'm still green overall, but whatever. Oh, I wasted a fucking day on trade day too. I didn't even get a fucking trade in on these. Holy Earth, what up? Yeah, Canute, but it gets me in trouble sometimes, bro. I mean, whatever. This eval's gonna blow, whatever. But these fucking accounts right here, I didn't want to lose $907 on them. And the market's closing. Probably, maybe next time, don't fucking trade at this time. I don't know. Like, whatever happens with this is cool. I don't care. I didn't want to fucking lose that, but whatever. It's not going to ruin my day. I'm literally fucking 2 flip days away from requesting over $9 grand from Apex. And I'm requesting fucking $2,845 from Lucid as soon as I'm allowed to. Leo, you think we're going to hit 49.30 before the market closes? Or is this like a personal account that you could swing? You have fucking 5 minutes, bro. We'll be lucky if we get down here. I can't. It's too late. Marcos, is too late. Now, you know what just happened now? I just lost fucking how much drawdown? Now I have a lot less drawdown. So this account's going to blow even sooner. Oh, it's a personal account. All right, cool. Nah, this account's going to blow. I already fucking know. I already fucking know how this fucking this movie plays out. Here we go. Almost there. Almost there. 8 more ticks up. Watch. Look. I doubt it gets below this. Done.
Order filled.
786 bounce. I can't seem to fucking pass an eval and trade evade the last couple of days. I passed 1. Amazing. So much for that. I'm stuck with fucking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 funded accounts in fucking Trade Evade and fucking 6 in whatchamacallit. In well charts. Not the ratio I want. This is going to push higher. Not exactly the ratio I want. Oh, look at that 707. Amazing. Can you go opposite direction on follower accounts? What do you mean? From the leader? That's hedging. That's 20 ticks down. Oh, wow. NQ fucking flushed. Well, it's down like 15 points. Oh, now it wants to fucking do this. You fucking piece of shit. Watch it hit my take profit now. My take profit was fucking 63. Shit always fucking happens. Here's my take profit. No, this account could wait. I don't need to trade this shit now. I guess I could get a flip day in. I'm such a fucking degenerate.
Stop filled.
This is a brand new fucking PA.
Order filled.
Hey, it was worth a shot. So here's my flip day. I got a flip day in. Can't get it. Yo, Alpine, you know when you fucking take trades and it doesn't matter what you do, you just keep losing? That just happened to me 3 times in a row. Oh, now it wants to bounce. Look, now it's going to bounce. Now it's going to fucking pop. Whatever. Once again, just need 2 flip days on these 6, and I'm requesting at least $1,500 times 6. I'm requesting 28.45 today. 28.45 times 0.9. I'll get 25.60 total from these. $25.60 and 50 cents. Yeah, the notification sound when you get liquidated is just like the other shit. I definitely trade the overnight much better. I fucking put like most of the time I fucking like I'm green in all my accounts when I trade the overnight. This was traded during the overnight. These were traded during the overnight. And look at this shit. Amazing. And no, this one was traded earlier today. That's like the only thing I traded, I think. When did I trade this? No. Was that last night or was that this morning? I don't even fucking remember. I don't remember. But whatever. I still have the accounts. I still have these. I'll just chalk this one up to a fucking flip day. That's nothing. This is a blown fucking eval. I wanted to get one more funded account in Tradeovate, but we'll see what their new promotion is. Right now, just so you know, this is ending tonight. Right here. This right here is ending tonight at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. $39.20, $25.50 and 100K evals, $59.20, 150, 250 and 300s, and $35 resets on any size account. $65 lifetime activation fee on the 25, 50s and 100s. $125 on the 150s, 250s, and 300s. It ends tonight. Use the best fucking code, 0DayJ, if you want to support the channel. If not, we're cool no matter what. You guys are hanging out right now, which is support enough. I appreciate it. But it is the best fucking code. Even Alpine knows it. Oh man, I don't know if they're gonna do 90%. Evan Cortez, yo, Mars. You could withdraw. They've been going a little earlier. They used to be like later on, like almost towards midnight. I requested payouts earlier. Well, the when I was getting payouts earlier this month, at like 5-6 o'clock p.m. Eastern. Oh, at like 5-6 o'clock p.m. my time, specific time. So like 8 or 9 p.m. Eastern, you could request, and I got the money dumped in my wallet like an hour later, if that. Pretty good. I know. Well, listen. I'll hang out. I'll hang out a little longer. I know Lucid makes you wait longer to request, but if they, I will hang out for another 18 minutes to see if they let me request before what they've been doing. Lately, it's like you can't request until like 5:45 ish. But if for whatever reason they let me request in the next 17 minutes, I will for the stream. So we'll hang out. You like that, Alfred? Specific time, bro. I like Lucid. I trade well with them, obviously. I started trading with them in October. These are a day behind though. Like whatever reason, these are a day earlier. This didn't happen on October 15th. This happened on October 16th. My first payout request was on October 16th. My first payout of October was on October 16th. It was with this Lucid account. Oh, man. Anyway, smash the like button for Trevor Leconte. If you're going to bounce, do that on the way out. Maybe YouTube will actually start showing me to people. We did okay today, though. We went as high as 216 people on the stream at the same time, which is a lot, considering I used to be in the 300s all the time. It's not a total shadow ban. It's a half shadow ban. But yeah, Rebby, I don't know what they're going to do for their next promotion. 90% off? I don't know. I doubt it. They're probably going to – they like to finagle. They like to fuck around with their pricing. They're going to fuck around with their pricing in such a way that your all-in cost is going to be similar to what it's been. Whether it's going to be higher on the front end and lower on the back end or vice versa, I don't know. No, they're all different sizes. It's all different amounts depending on the size of the account. D. Let me see if I can find that. Hey, I'm going to post this in the chat. Okay, chat? Thanks, chat. Here it is. Here are the payout parameters. Just scroll down until you start seeing actual numbers up on accounts. Here. Minimum required balance to request a payout. Here's all the accounts. Maximum payout amounts for all the accounts. These are going to be my third payout. These right here, these 6 will be the third payout I'm requesting on these. Come on, baby. Yeah, I don't know if they're going to let me. It's Emil. What up? Oh, if you guys are not hanging out in the best fucking community, the DGen Treehouse, the DCA gang, the DGen fam hangs out in here. It's free for now. You should join. I highly recommend it. It is by far the best fucking community out here. We're sitting at 1,500 members. You see, guys? Refresh. I don't think I'm going to be able to request. You used to be able to request at like it was 10 after, then it was like 20 after, and now it's like 40 to 50 minutes after the market closes. On the fourth payout, I don't know. Key highlights. Complete 5 approved payouts to access 100% of your profits. So I need to get 5. Can I get these to 5? I've never taken an Apex account to a third payout. I've taken Bullinox accounts to 4 recently. I've taken Lucid to 3 recently. I've taken a bunch of Apexes to 2. What should you check out in Perry Dollar? Just hang out in the main chat. Hang out in the main chat. That's where everybody hangs out. And just watch. You'll be able to pick out, you'll be able to pick some people out that you like how they trade. You know what I mean? This shit pops off. Oh, look, 255 new messages since in an hour and 20 minutes, an hour and 25 minutes. 255 new messages. This shit just pops off literally all day. All day. Oh, this is what happened right before the fucking close. 25% tariff on anyone dealing with Iran will take effect very soon. The only reason he's doing that is because his daddy Bibi's telling him to. What does fucking Israel have on America? It's crazy how much they have on every fucking politician in America. It's crazy. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, I fucking said it. Not allowed to say that type of shit, though. Not allowed. I thought they fucking blew all that shit to smithereens. Just ain't right. It works. The tariff card works. This shit pops off. Oh, hold on a sec. Oh, okay. Whatever. Good thing nothing else got shown there. All right. This shit literally pops off all fucking day. What's this? Shoot this guy the Discord link. I'm starting to give up. Well, maybe you should spell starting correct. This shit goes all day, all day. Yo, that's fucking. Oh, I love it. Hey Siri, make me a thumbnail with this image. Look at that. Look at my beard game. It's pretty fucking tight. I need a fucking thumbnail. Yo, I need a thumbnail. Yo, Doomlord, make me a Power Hour thumbnail. Bro, that shit is fire. We got some other shit like P&L photos. A lot of people share, showing off how the good days, which is great. Hey, Elmi, first payout of the fucking year. Fuck yeah, Elmi. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. A lot of this goes on in there too. All right, let's see what's going on with Lucid here. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to request for the stream. I'll hang out for another like 7 or 8 minutes. Jack Boom. They're in fucking the Ukraine. They got how many of these motherfuckers have dual citizenship, huh, Jack Boom? I'm convinced the fucking kissing of that wall is a humiliation ritual. If you want their support and you want them to lean things in your favor, you got to kiss the wall. It's like kissing the fucking ring. That's the wall of Rothschild. How do any of us know that that's the real fucking Holy Land? How do we know Israel's not here in the United States somewhere, the original Israel? We don't know that. How do we fucking know? Everybody thinks they fucking know because of what we've been told. And this is why YouTube shadow bans me all the time. This is why you don't get notifications, because I open up my fat fucking mouth. I open up my fat mouth. How do we know the Mississippi River isn't the river that they talk about in the Bible? How would any of us know? The Rothschilds claimed this. They said, oh, we're going to call this Israel. Just like the Vatican is its own territory. It's its own corporation. So is Israel. Thanks to the Rothschilds. Just like Washington, D.C. Just like the city of London. Not London, but the city of London inside of London. But what do I know? I'm just some fucking uneducated, according to fucking jerk off Dakota, I have no education. I'm fucking stupid. I asked him to show his account balance on his live account, and he resorted to insults, telling me that I'm alluding to the fact that I am uneducated. Why? Because I don't have my fucking worthless Series 3? Anyway. Fuck a Papa Doc, fuck a clock, fuck a trailer. Anyway, let's see. We're going to hang out for a few more minutes and see if I can request. Look, I said fucking Israel and fucking a bunch of people dropped off. We went from 128 to 82. And then back to 116. Look at my broker statement. Jack Boom. My broker statement. D. That's from 8 Mile. You ever see 8 Mile, D? the movie with Eminem, loosely based on his life. Trading on tilt, hell yeah. Look, I got that shit in my blood. My dad's a Jewish guy. My dad's a Jew. He's a Russian Polish Jew. I can say whatever the fuck I want. I'm a pizza bagel. I was dipped in the pedo water when I was born though. Here, piece of Maudi, tell them something they don't know about me, C. Charisse. I was baptized in the Diddy oil. Oh man. Come on, baby. Let me request for the stream. It's not gonna request. I got a few more minutes. Carbo. Yeah, I am, bro. Yeah. My dad's side of the family is Russian and Polish. My mom's side of the family is Sicilian. Her parents came off the boat. Come on, baby. Yeah, I don't know. Couple more minutes. 3 more minutes. If I can't request in the next 3 minutes, I'm gonna call it a day. I gotta make some videos. Oh, nice, Carbo. I was born in Brooklyn. Hey, TJP, hey. My poppy was boys with Rocky Marciano because he was a boxer too. My mom showed me, like you said, she used to have pictures hanging in the basement in the house I grew up in. Him and Rocky Marciano, chilling. Born in BK. Couple more minutes and we'll see. I might as well hit refresh again. Yeah, they make you wait longer. I guess it takes a little while longer for their dashboard to update. Although all their shit updates in real time at this point. One more minute. We'll see. One more minute and then we'll call it a day. Like I said, if you're not in the Discord, here's the link to the Discord. I highly recommend anyone who's not in there yet, if you have Discord and you hang out in Discords, you should hang out in the best community on these platform streets, even for a little bit. You'll find that you might not want to hang in the other Discords you hang out in, especially the paid ones. I'm chilling, investors. Chilling. Trying to request this fucking payout. One more minute. And if you got to grab accounts with Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, Bullinox, Apex, Lucid, even My Fund the Futures, use the best code 0DayJ. The links and whatever deal they're running right now is in the description below. And they've been popping off in the chat too. All right, 221. I'll wait one more minute. I really want to do this now, but for the stream, but I don't think it's going to happen. Nathaniel Jones. Well, I am half Sicilian. So maybe a small amount. You know, the Sicilians were conquered by the Moors. You know what I'm saying? Am I Fabillion? Yeah. I'm I'm a Fibtillion. You should see me in the summer. I get tan. My mom, holy shit. You know, my mom was always going to the beach on Long Island. She was always going to the beaches of the world. The beaches of the world, Long Beach, Jones Beach, Point Lookout Beach, you know? And she would just put fucking tanning oil on her and she would get fucking dark as shit. She was dark in the summer. She had tan lines for sure. Maverick. Do I speak Italian? No, I don't speak. She didn't teach me Italian growing up. Her mother spoke it. So she spoke it with her mom and shit, but her mom died she died 30 years before I was born. Trading on tilt, bro. People have assumed I was Puerto Rican too. My nephew's father. People used to think he's Puerto Rican and Cuban. My nephew's father. People used to think that me and him were brothers and that I wasn't my sister's brother. That I looked more like my nephew's father than my own sister. If we were all together. Sparta, what up? George. How low will the next drop be? I don't know, man. 100 to 200 points probably. And then it'll just go up over 5,000 or whatever. If we don't hit 5,000 today. All right, one more try. Oh, it's letting me. Let's go. Let's request these payouts. Hey guys, 0 Day J here. And in this video, I'm going to request a payout for the stream, baby. Lucid Flex. All right, let's do it. 1422.50. That's how much I can request. That's the most I can request. 1422.50. Max. What happened? Oh, select an account. Yup. Boom, there's one. Here's two. Max. Let me grab my email. You see, guys? Lucid doesn't pay their traders. Payout requested at 524. I'll probably get the approved email any fucking second. We love to see it. This will be in my bank account in 5 fucking minutes. We love to see it. Let's see. Oh man, it's taking a while. What's taking so long? But what's taking so long? I'm going to fucking go cry in their Discord. It's been over a minute. What the fuck? Yo, so this is going to end up being what? 1422.50 times 2, 28.45. I'm already at 26,635. This puts me at 29,480 for the month of January. And I am 2 flip days away from requesting over 9 grand here. And potentially 2 grand here or whatever I end up requesting on that. Did I get approved yet? Boom! Hey, I got a fucking approved. Let me post it in the Discord, bruh. Oh, payout sent. Look at this. Fucking Lucid. Fast as fuck. Fast as fuck, boy. Let me post this in the fucking best community on these prop firm streets. Let me do this. You see, guys? Hold on a sec. I gotta hide my screen, just in case there's anything behind the tab or the window, because I want to make this smaller. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We did it, Joe. We fucking did it. I gotta watch this shit. Boom! Boom! Let's see. Hey, next time tell it to say I'm fibtillion. Say fibtillion. Oh, man. All right, chat. We did it, Joe. Let me check my fucking Wells Fargo account. I got to pee so fucking bad. You see, guys? Yo, bro. Look how I got it already. Look. Look at fucking Lucid. It's already in my bank. Amazing. Fucking amazing. Fucking amazing. I requested at 220 literally at the tail end of 224. You see, guys? Amazing, right? Isn't that amazing? No money in rise from trade iffy from that for that long. Yikes. Maybe because he needs your payout money to pay the fucking MMA fighter he just sponsored. He just started paying to spread the word on trade iffy. Lucid is the shit. I just hope they stay the shit. Elmi, great job on that fucking payout, bro. Punisher, what up? All right, guys, I got to bounce. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for hanging out. Smash the like button for Trevor Laconte. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. I'll try to stream later. Oh, wait, JP wants me to wait. I got to make my update videos. This shit's about to zero out. Fuck. We'll just have to save it for the next one. But, oh, wait, here we go. Oh, my God. I like that shit a lot. You even made me change it to a... Oh, it's fucking great. Awesome. All right, guys, I got to bounce. Smash the like button for Trevor Laconte. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for hanging out. I'll try to stream later, but I'll definitely be on for Power Hour tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your night.